I am Disma Yulinda, and in this presentation, I will be analyzing the marketing strategy of one of Indonesia's most iconic beverage brand, Teh Botol Sosro, from PT Sinar Sosro. I will cover its STP, 4PS, and SWOT analysis. For the brand overview, Teh Botol Sosro was launched in 1969 and is now as the first ready-to-drink tea in Indonesia. It is produced by PT Sinar Sosro and has become a household name with famous slogan in Indonesia, apapun makanannya, minumnya teh botol sosro. Or in English can call like whatever the food, the drink is the teh botol sosro. This is helped build strong brand recognition, and today it is the market leader in the RTDT category. Problem or opportunity? Despite its strong position, Teh Botol Sosro faces an increasingly competitive market. Brands like Fresh Tea, Teh Pucuk, Giovanna, Teh Kotak are actively competing for the market share. At the same time, shift in lifestyle trends so that customers prefer practical and convenient beverage. This is create a big opportunity for the brand to expand its connection with younger audience, especially Gen Z. For the STP segmentation, Teh Botol Sosro segment is market demographically targeting consumer age 15 until 45 from all genders. For behaviorally, its target consumer who regularly drink tea, especially as a complement to meals. For the physical-graphically, the brand appeals to people with active lifestyle who prefer convenient drink with a classic tea taste. And the last one is geographically, the product is distributed nationwide. For the STP targeting, for the primary target are families and young adults looking for a refreshing drink to accompany meals. The second is the middle income mass market. For the secondary target is teenager and Gen Z who prefer sweet, convenient beverage. STP positioning, Teh Botol Sosro positions itself as an authentic Indonesian tea with a classic and unmistakable taste. The brand highlights its long heritage, quality ingredients, and the idea of enjoying tea with food. As a result, it has success in becoming the top of mind drink whenever people think of beverage to accompany meals. For PS product, in terms of the product strategy, Teh Botol Sosro emphasizes quality tea without artificial coloring, combined with its signature jasmine aroma. The product comes in various packaging format, including glass bottle, PET bottles, cartons, and cans. And the brand has also introduced sub-brands like Less Sugar and Sosro Heritage to appeal to health conscious customer. For PS price, for the pricing, the brand used a competitive pricing strategy. They keep the product affordable for the mass market, and the price vary across different channels. For the example, the price at convenience store may differ slightly from the price at the restaurant or traditional warung. For PS Place promotion, place or distribution is one of the Teh Botol Sosro key industry. Thanks to PT Sinar Sosro extensive network, the product can be found almost everywhere, from traditional warung to modern supermarkets, school, cafe, and even vending machine. For the promotion, the brand invests heavily in television advertising, digital marketing, iconic slogan, event sponsorship, and collaboration. And in these recent years, the brand has also focused on nostalgic and emotional campaign aimed at younger consumer on the social media platform like Instagram and TikTok. And for the SWOT conclusion, this is my SWOT analysis. Teh Botol Sosro's strengths include a strong brand equity, a memorable slogan, and an extensive distribution network. The weaknesses including limited product innovation compared to newer the competitors. For the opportunity exists in the growing ready-to-drink tea market and the increasing influence of Gen Z consumer. The main threat comes from aggressive competitors and the rising trend of healthier, low-sugar drink. In the conclusion, Thai Bottle Saucer has successfully maintained its position as the industry leader through strong STP and 40 strategies. Moving forward, the brand can further strengthen the relevance by increasing product innovation and focusing on brand engagement to attract younger audience. So that's all for my presentation. Thank you.